In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image into a shape in Google Slides. Now, we're going to start by inserting our image into this document. You can do that by clicking on Insert, selecting Image, and then pressing Upload from Computer. And then you would just need to select the photo that you want to add to your document. Once you have your photo on the slide, we can now reposition this to anywhere in the page. And in order to create a shape out of this photo, we need to first select the photo like this. Then next to the crop tool, you'll see this drop-down arrow called Mask Image. Click on this, select Shapes, and now you'll just need to select the shape that you want to crop this image to. So for example, we could select something like a circle, and as you can see, this will crop now the image to this circular shape. You can resize this as well by dragging each of the edges like so. And once you have your image, you can also add a border to it by clicking on Border Weight. So I'm just going to select 4, and then you can choose a border color as well. So I'm going to pick this nice orange color over here. And just like that, we now have cropped our image into a shape with a border. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.